I've developed a non-judgmental and open approach to tackling concerns of eroticism that couples bring up in session. Oftentimes, couples don't even bring up sexual concerns in session. They bring up instances of friction and tension that came up in the last week or so. So, erotic empathy is the capacity to understand that the way your partner experiences you is very much one that you can't possibly understand. So your partner may find you attractive when you don't think you are, and you may not fundamentally not understand why it is that they want you in the moments that they do, or why they crave what they do, why they need certain things from you, erotically speaking, that you have trouble articulating in the first place. Most oftentimes, we really need to work on coming across with a normalizing, skillful, mindful approach to the private, intimate, and taboo nature of sexuality. And these concerns just aren't tackled enough in the training of mental health clinicians. So the more gratifying we help our clients experience their sexual lives, oftentimes synonymous with the greater their mental health of that relationship. So please do join me in Florida on January 25th from 9 to 1 p.m. Modern Sex Therapy Institutes of West Palm Beach has invited me to give an introductory workshop on erotic empathy, and I very much look forward to engaging on this topic with you and discussing applicable, very much relevant clinical tools to those who attend for engaging with satisfying results and important information all too often rarely discussed. So looking forward to it, and if you have any questions, please don't be shy to get in touch with me. Thanks.